Hey, it's Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video. Market opens up here in less than 1 minute. I'm already trying to get some shares short here on BCLI. This thing's pretty overdone already, so we'll see what happens with that, but I will keep you updated. And the markets are open. Got those, so we'll see if I can get that, or I will gladly build a bigger position to try to fade this initial move here, which it looks like I'm going to be able to do very nicely. So this is nice. Try to get some more at 820 and then 825. So let's see if I can get up there or not. Seems to be experiencing some selling up there at 805, so I'll try to get some shares short there too. Got those, so my average is 785. I'll get some orders down there. See what happens. There we go. Got some more at 820. And 825, so average is 803. Like I said, I'm more than willing to fade this move. 811 is my average. Try some more up there at 829. Pulling back some here. Change those up to 839. I'll let it keep on running. Actually, I'm going to try for some more up there at 829. So 814 is now my average. So let's see if we can get it to roll over some more here. Okay, I got some shares there. Got my 807s. But that 810 really acting as a stubborn area of support. So see if it can break down through there though. Okay, there's those ones taken. See if I can get some off at 790. And I'll just, oh, there it went back up. So I'm just going to close out the rest there. So there's a $400 trade. And like I said, I probably got a little too aggressive on that first one, but that's why I went in small. but was willing to fade this move up, and you saw how that all worked. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, hindsight. Probably should have been a little bit more aggressive up in the 830 area, but that's totally hindsight, so that is what it is. Let's see if I can capture another one. Going for a quick scalp here, and wow, that was fast. Got in at 91, and as soon as I hit the sell button, literally was out for another $45. So very, very fast there. Nothing like making $45 in literally less than a second, but I'm not complaining. So I'm going to try that again. Apparently 790. Well, not apparently. You can see by looking up on the chart that is a area of support. Actually, I see some other ones popping up on my scanner, so I'll check them out, and I'll get back to you. I apologize for that. I picked up some shares at 770, and then I just sold them for 783 there. So a quick little 13-cent move, up 512 on the day. It's not even 15 minutes in, so a very nice way to start the new year. It is January 2nd, the first trading day of 2015, so a nice way to kick things off. Let's see if I can get some more trades here. Going for some shares here short at, I gotta get rid of that. I just saw a big order come in. Yeah. Looks like another buyer stepped back in, so didn't really feel comfortable anymore going at 29. So I'll let it come up some more and get overextended. Try to fade this one like I've been doing. So I'll keep you updated. Okay, gonna go for some shares here short at 60. So we'll see if I can get some there. I'm in. We'll look to, once again, try to fade this position if I can. Or just take a quick little move if it wants to go in my direction. So let's see what happens here with it. Okay, I got 100 of my 500 and I'm out. So another just quick little $45, but I'm willing to restart all over again. So if it wants to get up to 1170, I will just start that whole process over. So I will keep you updated. Okay, I got an order in for 731. If it can drop down there. And I'm in. We'll look to try to get out at 740 or now build a bigger position to the downside, because I think this move, a little overextended. The overall context of the situation is still bullish. So let's see if we can get a bounce up to the upside. I very well could be wrong here, but I'm just going to try to get out at 734 if I can. I'm not a huge fan of all this. It's trying to bounce, but it just seems like it's really struggling. See, all these sellers keep showing up here. Still feel fine about my entry point. I mean, I'm not worried about that. Like I said, it was already in an overextended state. But I'm no longer going to go for, the bigger type move. See if it can crack through the 730s here. Okay, let's see. We're still under 10 minutes on the video, so this will probably be the last trade I do here. and there I am out. So only made $15 on that one. But like I said, just wasn't quite acting right. This could bounce here, but I need to be a little bit more aggressive in just protecting my profits here. And I'm going to call it a day. I'm actually headed out. This is a half day for me. It is 9:55, up 572, and there's the bounce there finally. But regardless, nice way to start the new year. If you're interested in learning how to trade like this, meaning with candlestick charts, level 2s, I offer many training things on that. The great thing about charts is whether you're looking to sell within a few seconds like I am, or looking to sell within a few minutes, few hours, few days, few weeks, charts can be applied to any time frame, so they really are a very flexible tool. And like I said, if you go to claytrader.com, offer many training courses on that. If you want to join my private trading group, you can hang out with me and other traders during the day in a live chat room, along with get a subscription to my weekly newsletter where I send out my power profit scans. Then you can sign up for that too, again at claytrader.com. If you want everything in one package at bulk discount pricing, so the best bang for your buck, check out my Clay Trader University program. That's going to be, like I said, everything possible and lifetime access. And I think that's a very good deal. And then finally, down in the description box below, or if you're watching this on my site, just down below the video, if you want to learn about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting, I offer a free guide that goes over the tools that I use to find these stocks. So if you're interested in that, then check that out. Again, if you're watching that if you're watching this on YouTube, that's down in the description box. If you're watching this on my site, that's also just right down below this video. So thanks for watching, and everybody have a great new year.